Yeah, baby. Yeah, I do miss you. Just gonna put it out there. Baby, yes, I miss you, and yes, I wanna kiss you. I'm sorry about the other chicks, I never intended to diss you. But when it was said and done, I never wanted to split. We let our relationship go at the hands of another chick, and now I'm all alone, hurting for your voice. I should've never let you go and played your mind just like a toy. And now my heart is broken, half broken. I cannot find my soul, it's somewhere out and about just floating. Baby, please come back, I need you in my life. You are the apple of my eye, and in the dark you are my light. And yes, you are my soulmate. Please, baby, it's okay. You left me here bugging, dried up tears are on my face. Now, baby, please, I need you. I never wanted to leave you. Your heart was eating my love, and now I'm hurting just to feed you. You said you wanted me back, you got mad and changed your mind. I swear to never lie. Why, baby, why? Couldn't help but sit to cry. Couldn't help but sit to cry.
Not too long ago, I had a good relationship, but it didn't go too well. I was trying to be on that player shit, and a mind like mine seen a lot of visions of too many women, but I wish that I could take it all back, cause it wasn't even worth it. I know she didn't deserve it. She was up all night waiting on me, just hurting, kept looking about the curtain. Tears were slowly rolling down her cheeks, cause she just felt like she was lost in too deep. She was heavenly gifted, and I just know I won't never forget it. She was always wanting the best for me, and when we just turned old and gray, she just said she just wants to rest with me. Life is short, but I just guess it's just the way it has to be. Every time I left, she would just chase after me, but now I'm realizing that karma's about to take its place. So I'm going face to face with my enemies, but I won't pretend to speak. And now I'm only sitting here just stuck with memories, but I guess it's just the way it's meant to be.